Ouch! Sent the wrong message. Do not worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel messages on iPhone, saving you from those awkward moments. Sending the wrong message to people is a very normal thing. But in case you send the wrong message, it will cause discomfort to the person receiving the message. Perhaps now you will not need to worry and be embarrassed anymore because within a few minutes to an hour you will definitely cancel. Receive the message. Let's start with this tip. Step 1. Open the Messages app. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Step 2. Find the message that needs to be unsent. Navigate to the conversation that contains the message you want to unsend. Step 3. Cancel sending the message. Touch and hold the message bubble. Step 4. Tap Undo Send from the pop-up menu. The message will disappear from both your device and the recipient's device. Finished. No more regrets. There's no need to worry anymore because your message will no longer reach the recipient. iPhone offers this feature that is very suitable for bad mistakes. It will be useful to you when you accidentally send the recipient incorrect information. We, AnHome Tech, will accompany you with all the best technology tips sent to you. Thank you for watching our videos.